Along the same lines, we worked on other BCMA targets. As you all know, we published CAR T cell data now, and at this meeting here in Orlando, what we are going to do is present a different BCMA CAR. The old data with bb2121 demonstrated that we got really robust responses with that, but unfortunately the responses lasted for only about a year. We do have a few patients going way beyond, but in general 50% of patients had a year's worth of response, and what we noted in that is around 7 or 8 months you start seeing decrease in the number of the circulating CAR T cells. So bb21217 is sort of the next generation of the same CAR T cell product, with the idea of can we manipulate the CAR T cells to make them better, and can they persist for a little bit longer in the human body so that we can continue to have persistent responses in these patients. So what we're doing ex vivo, so the in vitro, when you take these CAR T cells, when you manufacture these CAR T cells, we're exposing them to a drug called bb007, and that's why the name 21217. And this bb007 is a PI3 kinase inhibitor. And what has been shown in preclinical models is when you do this, you enrich for a memory T cell phenotype. And by doing that, the hope is you need these memory T cells to persist, and your outcome in terms of disease control is going to be much longer. Now again, we've treated about 21 patients or so. The median follow-up of all of these patients is pretty short, so I can't speak a whole lot to the persistence just as yet. In the patients that we have looked, we do see an enrichment of that memory T cell phenotype, and the other nice things with this was, the toxicity signal was not any different. We saw the same levels of CRS and neurotoxicity, which was really well managed. So that was a good thing. And in terms of efficacy, we saw pretty high overall response rates, but to really get to the question of persistence and does that bb007 manipulation matter, I just think we have to wait a little bit longer to get to the bottom of that. But certainly a step in the right direction where we're trying to improve upon the efficacy that we've already had.